Welcome to Magnet Mad, Mum and Dad. First of all, hope you like the new merch. We're chuffed with it. I've even got my name on it, so don't forget what it is. We're here in Wakefield today, and we're out with some first timers. We've got Dylan here, we've got Leighton and Addison, and we've got Ollie at the end there, if you want to give us a wave, Ollie. And Ollie's come all the way from where? Bradford. So, and of course in the background there we've got John Joe, who's come out. You haven't found your dinner again?
I found
a magnet. Good start. Yeah, so as you can see, weather's absolutely glorious. So, as I always say, what could go wrong?
Roger and John Joe over there, all by the Todds. The guys here keep getting stuck. What the lads have got, all three of them, team effort. Don't pull. Don't pull. That's what I say, I think. Thing that's stuck in the water. Well, it's got another prosperous day. We've got Jack, pulley wheels, even lots of scrap all out of the water.
water. We've just cleaned up, just about to take to the car. It's been a great day, and we've had all the year and the kids. And have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
I did. Doing that again now.
Yeah, definitely. And don't forget, I mean, get yourself some decent magnet kits. Obviously, I do a code mag12 at Kratos, and I've used the Kraken today, and it's been absolutely amazing. And I'll be out again tomorrow. Thanks to John Joe for the tip-off as well. And yeah, if nothing else, be lucky, have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe. See you later.
See you later.